Hi, I am Pratibhavati from GM University. Today I am here to explain the code for CCTV object theft detection. Let me explain how this code works. Import tinter as TK. Tinter is a Python standard GUI. Import tinter.font as a font. It allows you to customize the font size like fonts like size, family and boldness, etc. From find motion, import find motion. Import find motion, it's a function from your own file findmotion.python. Window is equal to tk.tk. Create a main window using a tinter function. Window.title is equal to find stolen. Set window title to find stolen. Window.geometry 450 into 200. Set size of the window to 450 pixels wide and 200 pixels tall. Label is equal to tk.label of window text is equal to welcome. Create a label widget attached to the window and welcome. Label.grid of row equal to 0, column is equal to 1. Place it at row 0 and column 1. Label.grid of row equal to 0, column 1. Place it at row 0, column 1 in a grid layout. Label of font is equal to font of size 35, weight label of font equal to font of size 35, weight bold and family Helvetica. It customize the font, set font size 35, weight bold weight and Helvetica font family. Button font equal to font of size 15, weight bold and family Helvetica. Create a common font style for your buttons size 15, bold and Helvetica. Button font equal to font of size 15, weight bold and family Helvetica. Create a common font style for your buttons size 15, bold and Helvetica. Button 1 is equal to tk.button of window. Text is equal to spot difference and fg green. Height is equal to 3, width 10 and command find motion. It create a button labeled spot difference and color green, size height 3 units and width 10 units. When clicked, it calls the find motion function. Button 1 of font is equal to button font. Apply the button font. It applies the button font and button 1 dot grid of row 1, pad y equal to 25, 10, pad x is equal to 10, 0, column is equal to 0. Place the button at row 1 and column 0 in the grid with vertical padding 25, top 25 pixels, bottom 10 pixels and left 10 pixels. Next, button 2. Button 2 is equal to tk dot button of window, text exit, fg equal to red, height 3, width 10 and command window dot quit. Create another button labeled exit and text color is red, same size. When clicked it quits or close the window using command window dot quit. Button 2 of font is equal to button font. It apply the same font. Button 2 dot grid of row equal to 25, 10 and column 2. It place it at row 1 and column 2 at right side. Top 25 pixels and 10. Next, label 2 is equal to tk dot label of window, text Thanks for using. Create a footer label. Thanks for using. Label 2 dot grid of row 2 column span equal to 3. Span across the 3 columns using the column span equal to 3. Label 2 of font equal to font dot font size 20, weight bold and family Helvetica. Its font size is 20, bold weight, and we use family Helvetica. Window dot main loop. It starts the tinter event loop and it keeps the window open and waiting for user interaction like button clicks, etc. Code, and let me run the how this code is run. This is how GUI is created. It has a 2 buttons, spot difference and exit. When we click on spot difference, and this is the captured image, this is the output.